Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the tech that powers your gaming and productivity. In today's video, we're looking at the best HP Omen 16 AMD Ryzen 9 versus Asus TUF Gaming F15, and more specifically, we're going hands-on with one of the most impressive desktop gaming rigs of 2025, the HP Omen 16L gaming desktop PC, model TG030030. This powerhouse is built to impress, whether you're a competitive gamer, a creative professional, or someone who just wants the absolute best bang for your buck. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the AMD Ryzen 7 8700G processor. This isn't just any CPU, it's a next-gen 8-core, 16-thread processor that leverages AMD's latest architecture. Whether you're running demanding AAA games or juggling 50 Chrome tabs with a couple of VMs on the side, this chip doesn't flinch. Paired with that is 32GB of DDR5 RAM. And this isn't just about the size, it's about the speed. DDR5 memory delivers massive bandwidth increases over DDR4, which means faster load times, higher frame rates in memory-intensive games, and more headroom for multitasking. It future-proofs your system for years to come. Now let's talk storage. This system comes with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe M2 SSD. It's equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, one of the most exciting additions to NVIDIA's 50 series lineup. The 5060 Ti brings all the features you'd expect from RTX, real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3, and outstanding 1080p and 1440p performance. You'll be gaming with ultra settings on the latest titles, and still pushing frame rates that keep up with high refresh monitors. On the outside, the OMEN 16L doesn't shy away either. The chassis is a sleek panda metal design with an aggressive yet elegant aesthetic. You get tempered glass panels that show off the RGB lit internals, and HP's custom cooling layout ensures excellent thermals even under heavy load. And if you're wondering about the operating system, you're getting Windows 11 Home, fully optimized for gaming with features like Auto HDR, direct storage, and improved window snapping for productivity. Plus, this model is Copilot ready, meaning you'll have AI-powered features at your fingertips as part of the Microsoft ecosystem. Now let's compare this to the Asus TUF Gaming F15. While the F15 is a solid laptop, great performance in a mobile form factor, it simply can't match the raw horsepower and thermal headroom of the HP Omen 16L. Desktops like the Omen allow for full-size GPUs, more RAM, better cooling, and future upgradability. The F15 is a great option if you need portability, but if you want desktop-class dominance, the Omen 16L wins hands down. In conclusion, the HP Omen 16L TG030030 is more than just a gaming PC. It's a creative workstation, a streaming beast, and a future-ready platform. It's a no-compromise desktop for gamers and creators alike, and in our test bench, it delivered top-tier performance across the board. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a desktop that can do it all in 2025, the HP Omen 16L might just be your ultimate choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.